Hi everybody, welcome back, or hi if you're new, my name is Febrith, and today we're going to be looking at the contents of the new Wizarding Trunk box. I'm quite excited to see what's in here. Feels pretty heavy, it's quite compact. So let's, what I'll do is I'll do the usual thing, I'll just put it to one side and pull the things out as I reach them. I'll put you into top-down view so you can get a good close-up. God, you think I'd never done one of these videos before. I just messed that up. Okay, let's start. Okay, I think I just opened the box upside down, not to worry. We've got a replenishing potion, so I'm guessing we're going to find one of those inside the box, and then this absolutely gorgeous print. Look how nice. Oh, that is stunning. I do love their artwork, and I have quite the collection of it now. I don't know where I'm going to put it all, honestly. Okay, what the hell is even this? I do sewing. I have many sewing projects, actually. I make my own clothes from time to time, and I am digging these pins. This is the... I don't even know, I don't know what to say. I don't like it, so I'm so sorry. I'm not hip enough to, yeah. Okay, but the pins, look at them, they're absolutely lovely. They've got little tulips on. Oh, cat faces. Oh, shut up. Okay, little tiny cat faces and jewels. Very, very highly cute. Love. Okay. Okay, favourite item so far. Okay, next we have another one of these intriguing silver boxes with the charms, and this one is a griffin. Oh my word. Okay, that is quite beautiful. Very lovely indeed. See if I can get you in a bit closer. There we go. Look how shiny and beautiful that is. That is with his wings wide open, clutching onto something round. I'm not sure what, but yeah, that is very pretty, and it will go with all the others until I find something to put it on. Next, we have an intriguing velvet. Okay, what is this? A trinket dish, maybe? Oh no. Okay, it's a Death Eater mask. That is cool. That is really cool. I will find somewhere for that. My room, honestly, I've been thinking about cancelling these boxes, not because I don't just love everything that's in them, but because I just have nowhere to put the stuff that I'm getting now. I have one tiny room and that's it. But this, oh my goodness, so lovely. Okay. Right, next I have a little purple sachet. What a charming little thing. It actually looks like a little tiny sack of gold, and it is. Look at that. Wow. And equally, wow. Okay, that is super nice. Although I've made a lot of changes in this room, I do still have my my little treasure box, and this will go in there. What is this? Is it a calendar? No, I don't think so. I'm not sure what it is. We'll find out when we get to the cheat sheet, but look, how cool is that? Okay. Next we have, oh God, we've got a pin. It's a huge one as well, actually, of Rita Skeeter. There she is in all her glory. Didn't Miranda Richardson do just the most amazing job playing that character? I loved her. That is very fun. Okay, next we have Unspeakable. Unspeakable, it says. And safety regulations on the side with additional instructions. What on earth? Okay, then inside that, oh, wow, oh my goodness. Cognitive specimen, property of UOM. Oh my God, look. Looks like looks like little brains. Oh my God, what does it say? Preserved sentient cluster. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, that is a crazy item, but also quite fun. I have no idea what the theme of this box is. All right, next we have Unlocking Magic. So this will be one of their keys. I haven't displayed all mine. Oh, wow. Okay, that is beautiful. It says PUR down the bottom. That says number 12. Look how nice. Noble and ancient. Oh, that's very attractive. And then it's like a plague mask or a bird skull. Look at that little thing to go on it. Oh, interesting. What a nice key set. Okay, so it's dark arts themed then, is it? Okay. All right, again with the noble and ancient. Let's see what on earth this is. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at the detail in this. Oh, wow. Oh, oh, it's grim, though, isn't it? Isn't that ugly? Poor old Crindle. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Oh, I need a really dark hallway for him to be hanging up, don't I? Okay, next we have... Is this a meat tenderizer? I guess it is. That's what it looks like to me. Never ever owned such a thing, but it does go with all the others in this set, and it has beautiful engraving on it. Found the cheat sheet right at the bottom. The order. Okay. Oh, so this Nettlevix Enchanted Crockery. There we go. Let's get the box open. I should have zoomed you back out, but I was just being lazy. Hold on a second. It's kind of appalling, but also quite, I don't know, quite charming at the same time. That cat is absolutely beautiful. Same on the other side. Oh, I don't know. I'm honestly in two minds about this. Oh, but I love the saucer is super cute, actually. Really love the rose design. Okay, I'll give that some thought. It's a really decent sized cup. I probably will use it, but maybe just not let people see me using it. Okay, let's do a recap. Okay, so the cup and saucer was designed by Wizardry Workshop, packaging by the Magical Born Sisters. The elf plaque just simply says, adorn the walls in the headquarters representing the servants who served the family over the years. The reporter pin, designed by Lyra Illustrates. The cognitive specimen says, do not open. I should think not. Pure Blood Apothecary. The potion page goes in our Potion Master's Guidebook and designed by Wizardry Workshop. The Phoenix print was by Giza Graphics. The number 12 key, designed by Dragonair Designs. The Pink Witch pincushion. Is that what that is? Pink Witch, really? She looks like she's just made apple pie, doesn't she? She looks more like I don't know, sort of anime type of character. What do I know? I know nothing. Anyway, it could also be a magical creature's chew toy. You decide. The Phoenix charm. Phoenix. I think I said. Did I say Griffin? What an idiot. It's very hot in the UK at the moment. I think it's 31 degrees Celsius, which I know isn't much compared to other parts of the world. But I'm telling you, we are not built for it here in the UK. My brain is absolute mush today. The mask, you can keep this as a reminder of a battle fought. And the decoder coin. Oh, yeah, that's what it is. Right, 1 second. It's got buried in amongst all the goodies. Here we go. So it says, simply line up the arrow on the spinners to the arrow in each day, and it will tell you the time and place for the meeting that day, designed by Wizardry Workshop. How cool. Okay, well, I love it. It's fun. The whole box is fun, right? I mean, so many imaginative things. I don't know how they keep doing it, but they do. Okay, well, I'm going to leave it here. Say thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you're staying cool wherever you are, and I will see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.